what better way to have a musical Monday and spread light? What better way than music to cheer everyone up? And I am so excited because hi Bharat. So I'm so excited for today because I promise you after this you're going to fall in love with your Mondays, and my stage is all set. How are you, Bharat? Long time. Hey, Karthikya is here, so I'm just adding him. So I've sent the invite to Karthikya. Karthikya, I've sent it to you.
Bharat, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi,
Yeah,
how are you?
I'm good. Just setting up. Let me join you in 2 minutes. All right. Just send me a
Sure,
request
sure,
again.
take your
Just
time.
yeah,
Sure,
yeah,
sure,
yeah.
sure. Yeah. I am good, Bharat. Thank you. So Karthikeya is just setting his page up. Just hi, hello everyone, hello everyone. Welcome to our episode 9 of the series Spreading Light. And today we thought we'll spread light with something very magical and very beautiful, which is music. और मंडे म्यूजिक होना एक अपने आप में ही बहुत मजेदार बात है. Hi सौम्या, hi Jalan Boy, Nature Barber. Hello, hello. So Kartik is just joining in a bit. He's already there too. How are you guys doing? Hi, Arush. And it's amazing that so many of you have, actually pulled out this time for yourself, because Monday is all about work, and we forget to take time out for yourself. It's really, really amazing to see a lot of people here, and I promise you, we are going to have a beautiful, beautiful session today. तब तक आप लोग अपने रिक्वेस्ट सोच के रख सकते हो कार्तिकेय के लिए, if you want him to play a special piece of music for you, because he's too good. Believe me, he's too good. And otherwise, how is lockdown going? Post lockdown going for you? I'm sure you people are setting it up and just trying to settle in your workplaces and other aspects of life. Okay, I'll again send the request to Kadikya. Yeah, he's here. Right. One moment, I'm just adding him.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, good, good.
So
Just
good
getting
to
set
see
up,
you.
having some nice
Do you,
drive.
are you feeling at home? Because I set the stage for you. I thought I'll give you a feel of home.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It does. It does feel very homely.
But it's like telling somebody like you that this is a stage for you would be a misnomer, because for a person like you, the world is stage. So we have lots of people who've already joined and who are looking forward to this musically beautiful session with you. So guys, let's welcome Karthik Vashik. He is amazing. I heard him years back, and since then I literally fell in love with his flute. And not just flute, he is quite creative in terms of he plays around with many, many instruments. So let me quickly tell you something about him. So his music actually, takes you through the vibes of mountains, rivers, deserts, beaches, and his music has touched hearts across the world, starting from India to Estonia to Sweden to Belgium to Germany to Indonesia. Dubai. Talk of any country, he has been there. He's a part of Trippy Summer, which is World Music Project, and many other bands. I think he also played for a bit with the Polka Dots, and he does concerts all over. And he owes his training to many, many, great people, legends like none other than Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia ji. He's also got his training with Sameer Rao, and he's also learned Rajasthani double flute, which is Algoza, right, from Taga Rambhil ji. And Sujit Mandal ji is also his guru. I think I don't want to waste not waste, but rather take too much of his time because I want to hear him. He's such a positive person, such an amazing person. So once again, very warm welcome, Karthik. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. It's a pleasure, to be in your session.
Right. So why don't we hear, some piece of your music to begin with? I think that will be the best part of the show. Hi,
Sure,
Harith.
sure.
Yeah.
So recently I made something, which is like a combination of guitar and playing the flute together, you know.
Wow.
So,
Wow. Wow.
and the song is like, imagine like yourself in a boat, Imagine yourself being in a boat, and
Okay.
एक मछुआरा आपके साथ एक मछुआरा है, who is rowing the boat for you, जो वो को रोड करता है, that वो मछुआरे होता है, तो someone who is rowing the boat for you, and you're just watching the river and some nice, mushy land, warm wet soil. So just imagine that, and this is what the piece is about. That's what I was thinking when I was creating this piece. Hello, Soumya.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Okay. Yeah.
Guys, can you hear both of us? Just type yes so that we know that we both are audible. Wow, I felt like somebody was actually rowing the boat. You took us there. Wow, wow, wow. I hope everyone is enjoying this. So many people have joined, and I welcome you all again. Uh, Karthik, I am at loss of words actually. Your music is so powerful. But but I would still love to know from you how your journey started, how Trippy Sama happened, and from there on, because you are so young and many, many young musicians are here with us today, and they would love to know your story, how it happened.
So my story goes all the way back to school, So I come from a family, like no one is a musician in my family. Like they're engineers, but they're music lovers, of course. So I was in this beautiful school called Madhus International. You know, it's in Archini, Delhi, next to IIT, and that's where I started my whole musical training. So I started with the violin because my elder brother, he used to play the violin, and I tried, violin घर पर रखा हुआ था, so I thought instead of trying any other instrument, let's just try with the violin, which is also coincidentally at the back of your frame. I can see a violin there.
I am going to learn it from you. I don't know how to play it. I'm going to learn it from you now.
Oh, I can't play the violin at all, so that's why I played the flute. So I tried to play violin for 1 year when I started, and then I couldn't really play much, like anything. But I was hearing my school orchestra sounds and all the classes and the sounds of the tantra, which we use. And somehow something happened to my ear, I developed some sense, just by listening, that time. And then I found my first Guruji, and in school. So even actually before finding him, one day हम एक बस एक मेले में जा रहे थे, so I just bought a normal flute, from a flute seller. और फिर उनसे हमने बांसुरी खरीदी और हम अपने छत पर चले गए रात को, I was just casually strolling at my terrace and trying out this flute, कि ये कैसे बजती है. So now what happened? Like I tried to make a sound, it was the front flute. तो हमने पहले बजाई और एक सुर निकला, उसके बाद हमने एक छेक बंद करा तो एक और सुर निकला. Then I tried to play it like this, not closing two together, but and like this and this, and the sound never changed. So I was like, how do I create another sound? So फिर मैंने दो छेक बंद करे तो एक और सुर निकला. So ऐसे करके सारे बंद करे, so I could figure out the basics, सारे गामा myself. So this is the very start. Very interesting. That night was very interesting because वहाँ से it gave me that self-discovery thing that okay, this is an instrument, and I was able to figure out the sargam of it just by strolling down the night and कोशिश कर रहे हैं कुछ ना कुछ. तो वहाँ से हमारी flute की journey start हुई, with the front flute, and then I started playing, and I could figure out some school orchestra tunes myself. फिर हम अपने गुरुजी से मिले, Shri Sudhit Mandal ji, and I told them that I really, really want to now, like learn the flute, and I want to, learn classical music. आप, please मुझे सिखाओ. And then, he lived nearby, so he started coming home, and वहाँ से, my whole classical training started, like he started coming home or on it, like, very basic things from कैसे पकड़ते हैं to your first sa, जो आप बजाते हैं. So वहाँ से मेरी training शुरू हुई, and then from school to many other things. We'll go on to that as well.
Wow. मतलब खुद से एक अंदर से लगा कि कुछ है, कुछ सुनाई दिया, and then you started playing it, started experimenting. बट मजेदार बात यह है कार्तिकेय कि लोग वहां से शुरुआत तो कर देते हैं पर वो आगे जाने की हिम्मत नहीं रख पाते. एंड आई पर्सनली नो मेनी गुड म्यूजिशियंस, मतलब मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनको कोई ना कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले करने का शौक है, पर वो करना चाहते हैं बट दे डोंट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स और व्हाटएवर, वो उसको कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो वुड यू लव टू शेयर समथिंग विद देम that because
sorry, I think I just lost you for a while. I just lost you for a while,
अच्छा, okay. No, I said कि काफी लोग ऐसे हैं जो young musicians हैं, who play very well. उनको जो भी art form है, चाहे वो instrumental है या vocal है, they are very good at that. But वो उसको profession में convert नहीं कर पाते हैं. So, do you have any suggestions for them how to go about it? I'm sure it's going to help a lot of people, your journey and the challenges that you overcame and how they can also work through it.
So I think I really strongly believe that music is like education, like like anything else, music is also education. So curiosity is very nice, you can start something on your own and you can research and practice, but a guru is very important. Like जब आप छोटे होते तो you have gurus of all your subjects, mathematics, science, everything else, because those are experienced people. They can tell you what to practice, when it's the right time to practice what, and they can also tell you don't do this, something which may not be right for you at that particular time. So it's always good to have someone who is experienced in that field and they can systematically guide you, because कभी कभार आप कोई ऐसी चीजें practice कर सकते हो कि you will just get frustrated. आपको लगेगा कि हो सकता है if I keep practicing I'll get good at this, but it's a lot about so in vocals there is voice training, which is very important. आपको गला बनाना पड़ता है, or if you talk about gym, you cannot just suddenly imagine कि आप you can do so many push-ups, or you can do a lot of strength activities. आपको धीरे धीरे you have to build those things, and there's a systematic process. So similarly in music also, that's why a guru is very important, someone who can guide you.
Yes, absolutely. एक बात मुझे और बताओ कार्तिक, which I really want to know, because I have been listening to a lot of musicians and some play really, really good flute. And after जब मैंने first time music सुना, there was something very magical about it, and I've also been reading reviews about it. Personally, मैंने experience किया कि there is some power in your music. How do you create that magic? What is the energy that you, what is it? How do you live life? Because I'm sure कुछ ना कुछ वहाँ से जरूर आता है उसमें. Music is so divine, so pure. आप उसको सोच के नहीं वो energy डाल सकते हो. So how do you stay so positive, so amazing?
So, like I try to seek inspiration from so many places. From there are so many people, like who are inspiring actors, musicians, and then there is nature, which is so inspiring. You can just have a great time, enjoying the birds singing in the morning, or just looking at the sunset, like trying to feel what the sunset is trying to express, or what emotion is sunset, giving you, and then your own life experiences, which can be good and bad both. So sometimes there are people who hurt you, but those experiences are also nice for expression. You should not take those emotions in a negative way कि आप आपने वो चीजें ली और आप बस बैठ गए. You should positively take those things, because they are like your picture. You are living a film, and all those things are part of your film, and it needs to be a good film. Like each thing which is right or wrong, it should be dramatic and should make sense कि अगर दूसरा भी देखे तो अच्छा ये हुआ इनकी जिंदगी में. So I try to take inspiration from all things, positive, negative, all kind of things, nature, the people I meet, the moments where I'm feeling joy, the moments where I'm feeling sad. I just try to, like transmit my energy through music, which completely makes me go into a very a thought of nothingness, which is even higher than just feeling joyful or feeling sad, because in nothingness there is no thought involved. You are completely at peace.
Yeah, शून्य. Beautifully said. जैसे आप बता रहे हो, it's like music is therapeutic, right? अगर हमें कुछ बुरा लग रहा है, कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है, it's good to channelize that energy, then keep playing, get into the flow, और फिर उस स्टेट में आप चले जाते हो, जहाँ zone out हो जाते हो. जैसे कल मैं आपका कुछ flute music परसों सुनते सुनते zone out हो गई थी. So guys, if you have any specific request for music pieces for Kartikya, please post it here. And Kartikya, आज बातें कम और म्यूजिक ज्यादा सुनेंगे आपका. Would love to play Algoza if possible for you.
It's amazing, because that's what I was thinking the next, and आपने exactly वही बोला. We are very much in sync. That means.
Yeah, it's conspiring. So yeah.
First your violin in the frame, which is connected to my story, and next you already know the piece that I'm going to play.
Yeah, so I can mimic it. I can just mimic that I'm playing it, but I don't know how to play. So stage is all yours. Stage is all yours.
So I'll just play the Algoza now. So I was having some network issues in this room, so I just shifted the place.
Oh,
so I'll just
Algoza, please. Yes, Soumya, that's exactly what he's going to play now. Hi, Sayed.
So, before I play the Algoza, I'll just tell you a little bit about this instrument. So, this instrument, you can first, just have a look at the Algoza, So these are two flutes together. आप दोनों बजाते हो, एक में आपको ड्रोन मिलता है like a constant note, and दूसरे में आप धुन बजाते हो, you play the melody or the song. And at the same time, you're blowing and breathing at the same time. You use this technique called circular breathing, जो हमारे सपेरे करते आए हैं. You know, you see that जब वो बीन बजाते हैं, तो they're not stopping. They're continuously, you know, playing. And they're
Yeah.
inhaling through the nose and, you know, blowing through the mouth. So it's almost like Nad Yoga, you know, it's a special technique कि अगर आप कोशिश करें कि फूंक भी रहे हो और आप सांस भी ले रहे हो, आप ले नहीं पाओगे साथ में. You know, to do both things at the same time. You know, blow air through your mouth and try to inhale.
Oh, wow. Wow. And how long did it take you to reach to that stage? I'm curious to know.
I mean, it's a technique, you know, you have to continuously practice. It's a lot about the time कि जिस टाइम आपका साउंड खत्म होने वाला है, उसी टाइम को आपको मैच करवाना है अपने सांस लेने में, so that जब तक आप सांस लेते हो वो म्यूजिक का साउंड खत्म ना हो, and you know, somehow you can sustain the sound while also taking the breath.
Yeah.
So
Go ahead.
and yeah, another thing I wanted to tell. So ये आपको इंस्ट्रूमेंट मिलेगा सिंध, like all the Harappan regions, you know, which is जो आप कच्छ से कह सकते हो, you know, कच्छ, गुजरात to Rajasthan to, you know, Sindh to Balochistan, you know, it crosses the borders, you know, this instrument, and the particular music that you hear in these areas is also very same, you know, like Kutchi folk music or Rajasthani folk music, Sindhi folk music, they all have some common aspects, you know. So आप इसको कह सकते हो that this instrument is possibly from the Harappan civilization, you know. You can
Wow.
have a link.
Amazing, amazing.
So पहले हम थे नदियों में, बोट में, और अब हम चलते हैं राजस्थान में. Let's go to the desert.
Let's go.
Just a little bit tuning.
Wow. I felt for a moment I was dancing on Kalbelia, which is one of the popular folk songs of Rajasthan. Amazing, amazing. I'm getting goosebumps. गाइस अगर आपका कोई खास रिक्वेस्ट है प्लीज अभी डाल दो अदरवाइज मेरी लिस्ट बहुत लंबी है and I'm going to steal all his music today, so please type in if you want any specific piece to hear from him. um Aditya, you mentioned you are also, I think, studying world music from Dr. L. Shankar. Please tell us
Yeah,
more
yeah.
about it. What exactly is it? And yeah.
So, Dr. L. Shankar, like he founded this band called Shakti, way long back with Ustad Zakir Hussain, Vikku Vinayak Ramji and John McLaughlin, who's a popular guitarist. And it was like ground breaking, that band, because it was the first time, ये हो गया इसको काफी साल हो गए, but that was the first time that South Indian, North Indian, and then jazz music, these all three disciplines were mixed together. So, and it was one band, today we hear the term fusion music, but that band like really inspired all the fusion acts to come out, because it was so influential. So he was one of the co-founders, he's a violinist and also like a composer. So he's worked with a lot of people, in the industry, like in the Hollywood industry, like Phil Collins, Peter Gabriel, you can name all kinds of people, and he's also gotten Grammy. So he's basically played a lot of genres. And when we talk about world music, it's endless because it's musical cultures of different parts of the world. And which is also something which inspires me because my main training is, of course, in Indian classical music, but also I listen to a lot of genres. I use a lot of sounds in my music, which could be sounds of nature or which could be music which is very rhythmic. So what you heard in Algoza was very like dance-like music,
Yeah,
while the
yeah.
first one was more like towards more
Yeah, yes,
exactly, So
yeah.
I use different elements, of world music. And world music is also like, it could be music from Brazil or music from India, music from Sweden, but, music in all kind of genres and from all different kind of places. It's a very
Okay.
expansive term, and some people don't even take the term seriously because it's like, it's like infinite, kitna,
Huh.
kitna zyada, you can,
But that needs, lot of depth and lot of practice to be able to merge different instruments and different sorts of music and create a piece of fusion. So we would love to hear some of it right now, if
Sure, sure,
possible.
sure, sure, sure.
Yeah,
Definitely,
yeah.
definitely. I'll just get my guitar, and
Please, please.
I'll in this piece
Sure.
I'll like try to use a bit of beatboxing and guitar
Wow.
playing,
Lovely,
Yeah.
lovely. Yeah. Okay, so hi everyone. Hope you're enjoying the session. Keep writing, keep telling us. And if there is anything else you would want to ask him, let us know. So he's
So,
here.
talking about different disciplines, different genres. So I also started beatboxing, at some point of time in my life, which also comes a lot from, African American music. That's where the whole beatbox culture initially developed. So yeah, I use a bit of beatboxing in my music as well. So I'll play a combination of beatboxing and guitar.
Sure. Wow, 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 wow. So much of energy. Oh God, it's really amazing. Getting more and more better. Uh, I think, yeah, I also heard about your specific interest in music that connects to Lord Krishna. I have been reading about it, and I would love to hear a piece of that also. And then I have many more demands after that.
Okay, okay,
And me,
okay.
yeah. And meanwhile, if you want to share something with the people who are already here, anything that you think that, they can pick from you. Of course, you've shared amazing learnings about finding a mentor and how to go about things that you really are serious about your passion of, converting music into your profession. So please feel free to use this space to share anything that comes to your heart and that you would love to share with us.
Oh, well, I mean, regarding music or any other discipline, also, sometimes you need to train yourself, which is a lot about practice and a lot of discipline. And then sometimes you need to, just listen to your heart. So one is very systematic practice, and one is, exploring your creative side. Which means getting inspired and, like picking up a new melody, something which is not on your daily work schedule, daily riyaz schedule, but something which, like you heard a song and, you just suddenly picked up. You didn't plan to do something like that, but it spontaneously
Yeah.
comes to you. So this is a lot about, your intuition, so you have to develop those things also,
Yeah. You
like
have
not just
pointed out
follow us.
something. Yeah.
Not follow a just a set pattern, but also learn to improvise along the way.
Yeah, going beyond the comfort zone and the logical mind, you very rightly pointed out something very, very powerful, which I personally follow in my life, the following your intuition. Sometimes, we get to hear that inner voice, yes, we should be doing this, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए. But वो दिमाग जब बीच में आ जाता है ना, हम उसको साइड पे रख देते हैं. But that's where the magic lies. And I think if you're creating something, be it art or music or any other thing from here, it really is different. The way your music is very different. So yeah, well good. And about your Krishna music, I would love to hear that. Rather, we all would love
Sure,
to hear that.
sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure. So, just like yesterday, I was with a couple of friends and they asked me to play this popular Krishna melody, So, I'll just play that for you, Many people have heard that, of course.
Yeah. Wow. So mesmerizing. Tell us more about the intuition part. That's quite interesting, and not many people discuss about that, especially that coming from a person like you. Tell us more about क्योंकि कभी कभी ना लोग उसको समझ नहीं पाते हैं कि वो इंट्यूशन है या कुछ रैंडम थॉट है.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
And from a musician like you, I would love to know more about it. How do you use your intuition to increase your creativity? पता नहीं सवाल शायद सही है कि नहीं, but I think सही है.
Yeah, I mean it's a complex question, and the answer is equally, complex. Uh, I mean, this happens so many times, like suppose someone is calling you for a particular plan. Let's not even talk about work or music, but a basic plan. And one side of you is like, okay, someone is calling me, wo bula raha hai mujhe, let's do this, let's just go. And then there's this other voice inside you which is saying that, hey, no, I don't think I want to go. Maybe this is not right. And then a third voice is saying, don't think about yourself, think about the other person. Fourth voice is saying something else. But you're constantly communicating with yourself. So, you can be wrong many times, and you can also be right. It's just, I think, trial and error. And then at one point you will, it's a lot about knowing yourself. In the process, maybe I think you will come to a conclusion where you can understand yourself more better. That when you're experiencing, such feelings that there are too many voices inside you, what are you trying to tell yourself? And what is the thing that you need to deal? Is it the plan? Is it the situation, the social situation, or is it that you want to do something else at that time? So, it's a lot about yourself, like
Yeah, very
knowing
right.
yourself.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बहुत सही बोला. Karthikeya, हमारे अभी we have one of your one of your fans' friend, your Ojaswini. She even sent me a message yesterday that she would not be missing your session today, and we have Saurabh who's saying, Karthikeya Baba, Ojas says namaste, and he was
No,
waiting for your session. He has missed it earlier, so Saurabh, good that you're here. You can, shoot a request specifically to Karthikeya because तुम्हें बहुत टाइम के बाद मौका मिला है. Otherwise, फिर मैं अपनी शूट करती हूँ. Meanwhile, Karthikeya, tell us, because see, music is definitely something जिसके पास वो कहते हैं ना, एक खुदा की नियामत है. अगर वो है किसी के पास, तो शायद आपको सब चीजें बहुत आसान लगती है. Because especially when your music connects you to the divine and it flows the way your music is. Still, there are people जो बहुत जल्दी stress में आ जाते हैं. How do you deal with that? Of course, music है, but is there anything that you would love to tell them about how to look for little joys in life?
I can have, right and wrong answers for these. So different people, deal with stress or, things of tension in different ways. Sometimes, you can just have an ice cream or, have a chocolate, get some sugar to boost up your mood. When you're like, अरे यार, ये कुछ सही नहीं हो रहा, but तो आप सही बना सकते हो उस moment को, maybe you can have something which is like a delicacy, or go and, like chuck the plan out कि अगर ये plan work नहीं करा और, किसी चीज ने आपको tension दे दी तो just you have to divert your focus somewhere else. Maybe watch a movie, or if you still have energy, play music, or talk to someone, vent out your anger. But there are so many ways कि आप अपनी
Yeah.
उसी energy को, आप divert कर सकते हो कहीं और, instead of just doing nothing at all. Because if you don't do nothing at all, then वो आपको खाई जाएगी, So you have to
Yeah.
figure out ways, कि आप किस तरीके से उसको use कर सकते हो.
Right,
People
right,
like
right.
work out, people, because ultimately it's like it is energy, चाहे वो नेगेटिव भी आपको नेगेटिव इमोशंस भी दे रही हो, but it is some sort of energy and you just need to divert it into a right medium. So many people use this time, they start working out, or they like, they go for a jog, and when you come out of that, space, उसके बाद जब वो clear हो जाता है, then you feel elated, because you were able to overcome that, and now you're clear, now you're very focused in your thoughts.
True, true, true. It's all energy which flows and which creates anything. You either use it in destructive way or a constructive way. Ojaswini has also joined, and we have a request for you to play Khusro Ji from Saurabh and
Okay, okay,
Ojaswini.
okay.
So we
So
still
I'll
have
play.
about yeah, 10 or 12 minutes, so we have
I'll
time. Yeah.
I'll play this. Sure, sure. I'll play this famous melody composed by Amir Khusroji. It's in Rag Yaman Kalyar, and it's Chap Tilak. You know, we all have heard
Oh, wow.
this.
Wow, lovely. Yeah.
So I'll just tune my guitar a little bit. I'll just be back. Another thing I'm just getting.
Sure. Hi, Mehran. Hi, Kanika. Hi, everyone who has joined little late, but we will be uploading replay of this session on YouTube in next 2-3 days maybe. So you can always watch what you missed. Please enjoy what is going to play now. He's going to play Khusroji, Chap Tilak. Hi, Vaishali. Hi, Itwar ki Sham. Sorry.
शाम को ही आ गए. क्या बात है.
शाम से कहते हैं. आज हालांकि सोमवार की शाम है, पर लग इतवार जैसी रही है. Wow. Oh my God. मेरे पैर थिरक रहे थे कि मैं उठ के डांस करूं and Saurav is saying my hands are itching to play cajon on this. Yes, Saurav, I would have loved to, hear you also, but those ज़्यादा live हो नहीं सकते हैं. But Jaswini is saying as beautiful as earlier, but सामने से सुनने वाला मजा virtual can't beat. Of course, Jaswini. But अब हम virtual concerts अभी हमें करने पड़ेंगे because of the scenario. But still, the vibes, the aura that his music is transferring. अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं कहीं जाऊँ और डांस करूँ. So amazing. But
So मुझे
Jasmine, do we have?
कहोन
Yeah,
मुझे
please.
कहोन से एक सवाल आपके लिए आया, and जो है उनके लिए भी, जिन्होंने कहोन का जिक्र करा. Can you tell me why
Saurav.
कहोन why is कहोन such a rich instrument?
Wow. ये सोचना
हाँ, मतलब
पड़ेगा.
अमीर, इतना अमीर क्यों है कहोन? Like इतने सारे साज है, but why is a कहोन so so rich.
मैं गेस करूं, मैं गेस कर सकती हूँ, आई कैन ट्राई, इज राइट रॉन्ग मुझे नहीं पता, बट शायद उसके अंदर से जो सुर निकल के आता है वो इतना सिर्फ बजाने से नहीं आता, देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच गेट्स क्रिएटेड, सम वाइब्रेशंस, आई डोंट नो, इट्स अ रैंडम थॉट. Anyone can answer that, guys. Why cajon is such a rich instrument? Yes, Saurabh, I know you are also craving for DDC days. Even I am craving for all that fun. But
It's because
Saurabh, take a guess. Come on. Yeah, take a guess, Saurabh. वो खो गया है म्यूजिक में. He's lost track of the question. So you can answer it, Kadikya. I give up. I really give up. I tried, but
okay, I'm just trying, don't judge me by this. But
no, I want.
कौन बनेगा करोड़पति?
Oh my God.
I just tried a little bit word editing here and there, word play, but
That's now I know the secret. That's how you see little joys. Yes.
you have to activate your brain, at the moment. कुछ तो कहना होता है.
Right. अभी ये okay. So Saurabh Singh का own maybe. Wow. He's saying Kawan can be a snare, kick, tabla, congo, and many more. No, Saurabh, you've lost it. You've lost the game.
I told about improvisation. Sometimes it's not about the serious stuff, sometimes it's something else.
Saurabh, you're not supposed to judge, okay? You already said that. And he made us laugh, come on.
Yeah,
That's why
judge.
we are
Basically, judge करने, to become a judge, it's a lot of study, you have to study law for so many years, and then you can be a judge.
Yeah. Now I'm awaiting another comment from Ojaswini. He's saying totally unexpected. Okay. But we are decided आज का Monday like करने वाले हैं so that you forget Monday blues. And we have about 4 or 5 minutes more, and I don't mind hearing a beautiful melody from you. Maybe something from the mountains. Can you play that? I would love it.
Sure. So I'll play this song from Nepal. It's called Resham Phiriri.
Saurabh is saying Baba something soothing. Ojaswini is saying something from old days. Okay. So I let Karthikeya decide out of these three choices, whatever he wants to.
Okay, I'm actually changing the melody. This is also about mountains, but yeah, आप सब लोगों ने सुना होगा. So try to guess it.
Done. favorite song or a session के बाद I'm going to send you a surprise. It's such a beautiful song. Wow, 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 wow. So there was a demand for some old song also by
Mm-hmm.
Jasmine. Yeah. मैं सच में दिल जीत लिया कहते क्या सच में आई मीन एक बोलते हैं ना कि किसी चीज से एकदम से इश्क हो जाता है तो कुछ म्यूजिक ऐसा होता है जिससे बार बार इश्क हो जाता है जो मुझे हो गया है
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure, you know. You have such a beautiful positive vibe. So, you know, we're just together creating this whatever we created in this moment, you know. So
We take it from each other. I mean, मेरे आपसे इतनी अच्छी vibes थी from lovely audience also. So I think it's a collective effort. Well said. So अभी हमारे पास है 3 मिनट और and we can take one request. Okay, free अगला session आंटी के साथ. Thank you just for sharing this secret. I am going to talk to you after this. Okay, send me your number. I would love that. Wow, auntie is an artist. I'm sure. So Kartika, we can have one more from you.
sure.
मैं पूरा दिन बैठ सकती हूँ आपको सुनते हो और
So I think I've heard you, you know, post a song, you know, so it's a surprise for you.
okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Sure.
I'll just try this one also. Let me just
Yeah.
have a So in fact, what is till I tune, you know, maybe you can tell what is your secret towards positivity.
सच बताऊं बिल्कुल वही जो आपने बोला आई कनेक्ट विथ नेचर आई ट्राई टू चैनलाइज एनर्जी आई एम अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर इन दी एनर्जी हाउ यू यूज इट मैं कुछ साल पहले बिल्कुल उल्टी but I started becoming myself with dance and whatever. So I just follow the formula you follow. And I connect with lovely people like you.
That's so important to have good people in life, you know, who take you high, you
Yes,
know, who lift your
yes.
spirits up.
Totally, totally.
Okay, yeah.
जरा ये जरा
Did
जरा
you post this song by any chance?
did I?
Did you post a video of singing this song?
Not this one, but I think it was.
Okay, don't tell me. I think I know
I
which
don't
one it
remember.
was.
हाँ वो मैं भूल जाती हूँ यार कैसे ही होता है जब खुद में आ जाती हूँ Okay, so we have some comments. Or just is saying Zara Zara. Yes, this is what is played. Thank you for the surprise. And Saurabh is saying saw the change happening during the recent years, and the transformation is just like from cocoon to butterfly treat. Okay. Yes, I got a butterfly here also. That happened during transformation. So Aditya, play something from Gurukul days now or Vrindavan se kuch. Okay, so we have 3 more minutes. And Kartikeya, अगर गलती से भी ये अपने आप से बंद हो जाता है, after the time while you will be playing, उससे पहले I would love to thank you from the bottom of my heart and all the lovely people. And I would love to hear you more and more and more and more. And yeah, so we have some requests and we have 2 more minutes और उसके बाद शायद ये खुद से ही बंद हो जाएगा. So I don't want to interrupt. So let's end it with a beautiful music from.
So I'll play this music from Assam. It's a Bihu dhun. So I'll play that.